What's up, fellers? Today I'm gonna learn you an oil change on this 3.6 Jeep Wrangler. Yeah, boy. As you can see, it got a little cold last night, but still needs to be done. So the first things we need to do, we need to get us our supplies. Oh. First, I gotta clean so I can get to our supplies. Alright, I did some cleaning. Now we got our supplies. This is a 530. That's for the 2.0. And this, the 020. That's what we need for the 3.6. We got our oil filter. MO349. Alright, we got our supplies. Now, we need tools. So, we're gonna need us a 13mm wrench. And then, we're gonna need us a 24mm socket. Not sure if I got one of them. That's 1 1/4 inch. Oh no, that's 1 1/16 inch. Hold fast. I gotta find me a 24mm. Alright, I don't think I have me a 24mm. But we can still drain our oil. And this is where that 13mm comes in handy. Alright. So, woo! Gonna send that boy under there. And then we gotta get under there too. Before we get under there, we're gonna warm this thing up. That way that oil's nice and fluid, you know? Yeah. Then we can get almost all of it. Because when it's cold, it's almost like a molasses. Nah, we want it like water. And not ice and molasses. So we're gonna warm it up a little bit. Get up in here. Ooh, look at this. She got that fuzzy steering wheel. Alright. Let it warm up a little bit. Hold fast. Alright. We let this warm up for about 10 minutes. And our heat gauge came up a little bit. I think that's good. Turn that off. Now, we slide up under there. Alright, now slide up under here. Oh yeah, she's a little warm. That feels good. Alright. Yeah. There we go. There's that one. That one broke free. Cool. Get us a little paper towel. Keep us nice and clean. She's a longin'. Oh, there, she's loose now. Alright. Whew. Now we're gonna let her drain until there's very little drippy. Okay. In the meantime, we go back up top. Now we gotta open this thing. Put this thingy down. Righty. Now you see that little orange fella right there? That be the oil filter. And that is what our 24mm is supposed to be for. But I ain't got one. So, we're gonna see if we got us a SAE fits. All right, so we ain't got no 24mm, but we do got us a 15/16, and that goes right on there. Pretty good, pretty good. So we're gonna use that this time. Oh, I need me a bigger one. This here's a little ridiculous, but that's all I got. She's a loosey-goosey now. We gonna get her off of there. Oh boy, and there she go. There she go. My hands are getting a little cold. And there that filter is. There that filter is. Okay. There's that. So this one here popped right out of there. Squirt her too a little bit, but that's okay. Throw her in the trash. Then we need our new one. Got us a new one right here. Like I said, the MO 349. And that goes right in there, just like that. And then we got us a new O-ring. Want to get that one off. We need us a pick. Oops, dropped my towel. Get us a O-ring off of her. There go that old one. Here's our new one. Make sure we go right back in that same groove you got it from. Now right there. She ready to go back on. All right, we're putting her back on. Oh, that is nice. I like that. Yeah. Okay, hold on a second. Oh well, we're gonna use this still. Make sure you don't tighten that too tight. Just get her snug. Just how your wife likes cuddles in bed. Snug. Now we got to go back under yonder and put that plug back in. You want to see it from this angle? Or you want to see it from this angle? Or you want to see it from that angle? Oh well, we're going to start here. Okie dokie. She's a little drippy, but that's okay. Make sure. Snug. Snug. Good. Alright, we all done here. Now we go back on top. Now we need one of them funnel things. Oh, I'm dropping. We got one of them funnel things. Alright. And this one specifically for oil. Then we take off this thing right here. See, it says 020. Take that thing off of there. Yep. And then make sure this thing's clean. We can make sure this thing's clean real quick. Make sure. It's clean. Alright. We got a funnel in there. Now we need an oil. First, I gotta go get it because I put it in the house so it warmed up too. I heard lots of things on the interweb. Ooh, almost spilt it. That this could be a 5 or 6 quart system. So we got 6 quarts. And we just gonna fill it until she full. We're gonna start with the 5 quart. 2, 3, 4, $5 quote. And then we see how far it fills it up. Oh shit, we put our plug back in? Yeah, we did. Okay. Keep filling her then. Pour the whole thing in there. Put the whole thing in there. Empty that sucker out of there. Ugh. Shake it like you going to the bathroom. But it don't quit. Come on, baby. Stop your dribbles. Okay, good enough. Let's see where we sit. The first pull, I always wipe her off. Then you get a good reading after. Okay, there we go. Oh, she look like she full. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but she all the way full. But we're gonna start her up and see. Take this out of there just in case. Get our plug back on so we don't squirt oil everywhere. Okay. Go get back in here in a squished wife mobile. And we go. Key fob not detected my butt. Let her run for about 10 seconds. Was you counting? I wasn't. Turn her off. Now we go check her. Got us a paper towel. Wipe it off, remember. Wipe it off, that first one, that first pull. Now we see where we're at. I don't like that reading. I'm gonna do her again. She's nice and shiny all the way up. I think that's all we add to her. But I think we good. I like that. Third time's a charm though. Yep, look, she's shiny all the way up. We got one more thing to do. We gotta reset the oil. Now we put this into the run position. So know if you guys could see. Oh. With this steering wheel kind of weird. All right, now we go to our information center right here. Oil life. Okay, hold to reset. 100%. Woo! That's how we like it. All right, fellers, and that's me learning you how to do an oil change on a 3.6.